Banana bread. Hell yeah.
What? Eating banana bread?
Banana bread.
I have potato salad and sardines.
It's banana bread.
Here at camp, we got Mav, Faja, Roach Motel. That's where I am sleeping. Everybody working, Cody making the fire. Yeah. It's a Cadillac, boy. Looking like a floating highlighter. That is mine. These are the Amok Draumr 3.0 hammocks. These are a lot different. They've been out for a while. I'm sure a lot of people have seen them. They're a big fuss on the internet. Till everybody sees the price and run, but I'm telling you, they are worth every penny. They have thought everything out on this thing. From the seams, they're all double and triple stitched. And just everything's solid, man. Got tons of space. Little cubby up there. Stick pockets that keep the foot box off. You just got to use a green stick. You want to make sure that your stick's at least 3 to 4 inches bigger. There's the other stick there. This is your head in, of course. Hence the pillow. I like mine set low like that. Yeah, I can't get the headroom that they got, but I don't have to counterbalance to get in that thing. And it doesn't drop that low. I'm pretty low to the ground, but I like being low to the ground, so this works out for me. Everything stays nice, tight, and dry and clean. So, sufficient. The straps on the new one, that's really nice. They're harmless tree straps. And we added this hammock snakeskin from Chill Gorilla. You get 2. I believe they're like $20, $25, something like that on Amazon. But it just pulls over, you bring your stakes up, roll them up, and all in itself, and it slides all the way over if it's nice and pretty. But it's kind of overcast today, so we got the tarp on. Had some rain last night, small sprinkles. Definitely the way to go. Do not skimp. You're gonna, if you're an ultralight backpacker, this is not what you're gonna want. It does weigh a good bit. Also, you can get the specs. There's plenty of videos, and I suggest if anybody wants to really learn about this hammock like I did, go to the actual Amok equipment and subscribe to them, shoot them some likes, tell them that I sent you. But yeah, man, completely worth it.
There's your actual cubby they made. No bug net, surprised in here, but I'll stuff my sack with all my goodies in there. Also, here in the corner, you have a bug net. Conveniently zips up all the way around. YKK zippers. Just stuff it on back in there. Not gonna use it right now. It's nice and cold. We're in the Georgia mountains. I don't need no bug net. But tonight, when it is cooler, I'll snap that up in a minute. Tonight, whenever it's cooler, it will help hold in some heat. Pro tip, so a Trekology, Sea to Summit, Outdoor Vitals, almost doesn't matter who makes the damn thing. These pillows slide oh so beautifully right there in the foot box. They have R value, so it keeps your feet warm from the bottom of the foot box. And if you tend to slide at all through the night, because you have to keep your ass directly under that line, or you're going to start to tilt either way. Not dramatically, but you'll notice it and make a shift. But yeah, fits real tight in there. Keeps your feet warm, man. You cannot beat that. Pro tip, use your trekking pole to hold your bag when you're on a hill. Also, stick it up under your tarp, tighten it down, and you got a nice little view pole. And you drop it when it starts raining heavy.
Hell yeah.
What? Eating banana bread?
Banana bread.
I have potato salad and sardines.
banana bread.